Good morning, students. Today, for Assam High Secondary Education Council, there is a topic that there is a unit in your syllabus, Boolean algebra. So, from today, we will be starting Boolean algebra. So, what is Boolean algebra? Algebra. So, मैथ्स में मिल चुका है algebra. Okay. तो ये थोड़ा अलग है, मैथ्स वाला नहीं है. Here we deal with Boolean values. Boolean algebra is a topic where we deal with Boolean values. What are Boolean values? Boolean values are true or false. True is represented by 1, false is represented by 0. Boolean value has only 2 values. Okay. Boolean logic has only 2 values. True stands for 1 or 0, which stands for false. So now every day we have to take logical decisions. Say we are going out, it is a cloudy weather, whether we should carry the umbrella or not. Carry the umbrella or not. Lena hai, true or not, false. So all these logical decisions which are part of our daily life, that comes under Boolean logic. Alright. So Boolean algebra has some operations under it. Okay. Then those operations has some symbols, and finally that we represent it in truth table. So what is truth table? So actually this we can relate with the circuit diagram. Alright, circuit diagram of physics or circuit diagram of computer. So for each input, one column is there in the Boolean table, and corresponding output column is also present. So tabular format of all the inputs and the outputs are represented by the truth table. Okay, that is under Boolean algebra, truth table. बोल के एक चीज मिलेगा. While you will be proceeding, you will get to know what is that thing. Right? The basic introduction I am giving to you now. Logical operators. So logical operators, there are 3. And, or, not. और इन तीनों को बोला जाता है बेसिक गेट्स भी बोला जाता है. ओके, बेसिक गेट्स. सो we'll derive few other gates from these basic gates. Okay, जैसे कि derived gates, derived. What are derived gates? Not plus and, NAND बन जाएगा. NAND is derived gate, NOR is derived gate. Alright, so these two are derived gates, but the basic gates are, basic logical operators are and or not. Three basic logical operators. Logical gates कितना है? 3 है. Basic gates कितना है? 3 है. And or not. And stands for multiplication. Say you consider 2 sets. Okay, then from those 2 sets we find the Cartesian product, that is multiplication, that is AND. Okay, और नहीं तो 2 sets है, 2 sets में से I am finding the common part. Okay, common elements I am finding from the 2 sets. There are 2 sets A and B. From the 2 sets I am finding the common element. That common element is denoted by AND, that is intersection. Common intersection of set, or denotes union of sets. Union. Okay, U. This is U. Union U. So union is represented by or, intersection, multiplication नहीं चाहिए. Then intersection. Intersection of 2 sets. Intersection of 2 sets is denoted by and not is what? Not implies, not क्या करेगा? Negate कर देगा वैल्यू. ट्रू वैल्यू आएगा तो उसे false बना देगा, false वैल्यू को true बना देगा. Okay. So these were the basic logical operators I am discussing, or I am showing the truth table for the truth table. Truth table for or I am showing you first. Or gate. Say there are 2 inputs A and B. Okay, and this is the A plus B, that is or A or B. Alright, so first value I am taking 0 0, next value I am taking 0 1, okay, then I am taking one more thing, these are the inputs. मेरा input कितना है, 2 input है, A and B are my input. Okay, if my input is 2, then number of यहाँ पे कितना पेयर होगा, कितना पेयर होगा, that is given by 2 to the power n. If my input is 2, so 2 to the power 2, that is how much, 4. Okay, so 2 to the power n is the formula. मेरा input 2 है, तो n के जगह पे क्या डाल दिया, 2 डाल दिया, 2 squared is 4. So I will be getting 4 combinations of inputs, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, 0 represents off, सिग्नल नहीं आ रहा है कंप्यूटर में, ऑलराइट, एंड 1 represents ऑन. इसी को फॉल्स भी बोला जाता है और ट्रू भी बोला जा सकता है, ऑलराइट. So when both the inputs are absent, then the output will also be absent. When either of the input is present, then you will get the output. When either of the input is present, will get the output. When both input are present, well and good, we will get the output. Output present in 3 cases for 3 combinations. Okay, this is the truth table for OR gate. So now I will represent the truth table for AND gate. Pause करके note down कर लीजिए, alright. Then I am doing the truth table for AND gate now. AND गेट का सिंबल है डॉट, ओके, और यहाँ पे लिख देंगे A and B, alright. So the combination of inputs will remain same, 4. क्यों 4? फॉर्मूला क्या है, 2 to the power n. फिर से 2 इनपुट, 2 to the power 2, n की जगह 2, क्यों 2? 2 इनपुट है, n equal 2, n equal 2 inputs A and B, तो 4 बन गया, 4 कॉम्बिनेशन 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. ओके, अभी एंड के लिए क्या है, एंड के लिए दोनों में होना चाहिए. इफ द इनपुट इज प्रेजेंट इन बोथ द combinations, then only you will get the output. If both the inputs are present, only the output is present. In all other case, it's false. False means 0 0 0. False means 0 0 2. मल्टीप्लिकेशन हिसाब से कैसे ट्रीट करेंगे, 0 into 0 0 0 into 1 0 1 into 0 0 1 into 1 1. इसलिए मल्टीप्लिकेशन मैंने दिया था ना थोड़ा देर पहले, लिख के रखा था मल्टीप्ली, फिर पोज दिया था, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट 0 into 0 0 एंड टेबल का है मल्टीप्लिकेशन जैसा, 0 into 1 1 into 0 0 1 into 1 1. ऑलराइट, एंड लास्टली द ट्रूथ टेबल फॉर व्हिच गेट, बेसिक गेट कौन सा था, तीनों था बेसिक गेट्स, एंड गेट, OR गेट एंड नॉट गेट. एंड गेट का दिखा चुका हूँ, OR गेट का भी ट्रूथ टेबल आई हैव शोन यू. नाउ द लास्ट वन, द ट्रूथ टेबल फॉर नॉट गेट. ऑलराइट, फर्स्ट आई हैव शोन यू OR, देन आई हैव शोन यू AND. नाउ द ट्रूथ टेबल फॉर नॉट गेट. These are not that tough, very easy, that's why I am going little bit fast. तो यहाँ पे और नॉट गेट, सॉरी नॉट गेट. सो यहाँ पे 2 इनपुट्स से कंसिडर किया जाता है, और नहीं तो 1 इनपुट यू कैन कंसिडर, से इनपुट एंड दिस इज द आउटपुट. ऑलराइट, say A is the input, then output is denoted by negation A. negation 2 to the power n, फॉर्मूला फिर से 2 to the power n. यहाँ पे n कितना है, इनपुट एक ही इनपुट प्रेजेंट है, so 2 to the power 1, then 2. That 2 is what, 2 combinations you get. What are the 2 combinations, 0 and 1. Alright, जब 0 आ रहा है इनपुट सिग्नल, then it will negate it. 0 को क्या बना देगा 1 बना देगा एंड 1 को 0 बना देगा. ऑलराइट, 1 को 0 बना देगा. This how NOR gate works. And there are certain symbols. Symbols I am explaining. OR gate का symbol हो गया A and B are the input. This is the symbol for OR gate. OR gate. And this is A plus B. Alright. Then the symbol for AND gate. What is the symbol for AND gate? Like D you will write. Okay. Two inputs A and B are fetched, and this gate will give you the output A dot B. Alright. This is the AND gate. And final symbol for NOT gate. NOT gate का symbol. If A comes as input, A bar और negation है, will be the output. ये क्या है? Input है and ये क्या है? Output है. Input IP I can represent input as I oblique P and output as O oblique P. So the three basic gates are discussed today. Truth table I have shown you and the required symbols for OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. So three basic gates are complete in this video. Thank you for watching.